Okay. Bum, ba, da, bum. Just make sure everything's working. It does look like it. Why does it? Okay, I don't know. I will see if the quality drops. There's a chance it does, but there's a. I guess welcome. I didn't do anything Wednesday, so goals for the stream. We have a couple options, mostly because I don't know how it's gonna go. I want to be able to move between levels. I'm just gonna make another like test level, right, and just go back and forth. So save which level and position I'm on, right? That's option one. Second option is the hitbox and player damage, like damage output. Not really health yet, but I mean, depending on how these go, possibly. Yeah, this is the game plan for the day, I think. If not, like if these aren't going well, then maybe switch into something else, but that's the game plan for it. Pretty simple, hopefully pretty easy day. I'm interested to see how the saving between levels, right? I'm interested to see how that goes. I'm assuming it'll go well, because I don't see. So okay, I guess here's my thing. Okay, those are the goals, right? Moving, I guess, saving that stuff. Saving between levels, right? In my head, we just do the same thing, game instance, and then we do current level, current, I guess, current transform in the level. I don't really know how that would work, so this is gonna be interesting. In my head, this is like the same thing we've been doing, right, with the other stuff. So I'm hoping that's the only difference. So I just need to make another random level to put characters on. I don't really know if I put like if it matters where I or how I put them somewhere. Like placement. What is this? Did I just click on the wrong thing? My first part. I definitely did not click on it. This happened last time too. I absolutely clicked on the RTDM. I absolutely did. Can I just get rid of this? Is this a thing? Like, what if I just, like, go away? No. I think there's flip spots and like their icons are just backwards. I think that's why it keeps doing that to me. Okay. Yes. Go to this for a second. So I did kind of work on. I don't want the start menu map. I did kind of work on. I see I'm gonna need one of these. The whole enemy thing, like doing damage, and just wasn't working out. So but it was late at night, so I just wasn't. My head wasn't really in it. But I should be able to. I should just be able to have a different one. It's like, what is this? Player start. Like, if I do another one, I should just be able to put like on the left, right? Just basically copy the map or do the same kind of thing. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So a new level. Test level 2 map. Just gonna go with that. Save. I think I can just do. I can just basically do the same thing, right? And just have it. I just don't want the grid. How do I don't show the grid? Okay, maybe that's not what it's actually showing. Okay. So I think I should just be able to put a new player. Yes, UI. Main character. Does this put up? No, that's not what it does. Where do I put the player start? Okay, leave that as it is. Just put a player start there. I just want a player start. Do the place actor, player start. I do want it to be like noticeably on the left. Okay, so that's gonna fall through. That should do it. Just gonna go with that. So if I just play this level, nothing. We love that. It's huge. Oh, something's okay. Because I want to see if there's a difference with any of this. Do I have to put which player it is? Actor. I guess I don't really know, right? Because I feel like putting just, I mean, it's incredibly small. Like, how do I assign this to the same thing? Capsule component. Yeah, but it's getting it from... Like, how does this know that it's the right thing? But player start. Okay. Let's go into it. See this? Like, why is it so big? Can I go in? Like, can I open this? This controller event begin play. Yeah. Is there a way for me to set this to, or does it automatically say it's the right person? I guess what I could do is do the save select and just on one of these, like on the Zeus one, right? Instead of putting it to testing map, but to map 2, right? Just compile. Then here, this. Okay, so it does. So I just put one of those in there. Why can't I move though? What's that about? Like, does this not work? If I go here, I can move. Ship can't move. Does the I need to set the game mode for it, right? That's what needs to happen. I think. But how do I do that? I don't recall. See, I don't want game mode base. I want game mode BP. Again, whatever the heck this is. Okay. If I set the same game mode, it should just be right? Like, that's a thing? It's not a thing. I just need to put the U. Okay. I might just end up putting the UI underneath there. Okay. Open level blueprint. Then let me see for this. I'm upset that I just didn't keep it up there. So it does say game mode test BP. So I do need to put that game mode there. And I want to copy this as well. So let me copy that. Go to the other one. What? Because his... Okay. Now this, I want world settings. Game mode test BP. Save. Okay, this is all right, but I do want need to set the controller thing, so I do need to go here. Open level blueprint, because this gets rid of the mouse. So now I should be able to okay. Play this one journey. Okay. Yeah. Easy enough. Okay. Now I want to be able to come all the way over here, and like when I hit here, come to this level, but like on the other one, right? And I think a way of differentiating which level I'm on is on this map. I just put like one of these guys. Oh, because he's not even an actor. That's why I couldn't hit him. I hate myself. Because I needed one of these blueprints for that. Oh no, I did have one. Okay, well let's just put this guy here. And this guy here, right? Save that. See if they're there and they're not falling through. Okay, yeah, they're here. Oh, I'm gonna be falling through. Okay, and this one's just a regular one. Kind of forgot that they have like a hitbox thing. So like, if I run into them, I get pushed forward. That's fine. I just need to go back to that thing. What if I just added the sprite and didn't actually add the right, like the actual person, so I don't have to deal with that for now. And the second one, he wasn't even there, but yes, enjoy. Let's scale you. I want to get both, thank you. You probably need to move back a little bit, buddy. Okay. Save? I think that should be fine. I mean, you want to move the UI into that. Okay, yeah, he's just sitting there. That's perfect. Okay. I was kind of goofy, but it's fine. Now I want this to go back to regular map. Now, how do I make it? Unreal Engine 5 documentation. Moving levels. So I want to do it if I hit that side of it, and that's just like a test thing. I guess switching levels is probably the better, more accurate word for it. Training the default level, no. Switching between multiple fixed camera perspectives, no. It's just not switching. Walking through door. That's definitely not going to be what I need. But using sockets instead, okay. I'm just going to ignore it, whatever that's saying. For now, at least. So basically, I need to be working with this level. So I think I wanted to okay, so in my head, there's my little notepad. Because I need to work on save between levels, so switching between levels. Right, in my head, go to edge, open, new level. Alright, in my head, this is what we're doing. I feel like I should be able to open that level. Like I should just be able to kind of like the save select, right? I just set all this stuff, and go in, except for the new game, clearly, right? So instead of this on clipped, I need to get a position. Like I need like this little area here. Like maybe if I collide with these, but they're all like that, so I can't really. I guess I could play if I collide with the left side. Cause right here, I want to collide with these, or just like walk in this little area and have it switch. Okay, no, that's not assets. What is the new level sequence? Level sequence. UE5. It's a container for your cinematic scenes that must be created in order to begin working with. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Not what I'm looking for. I don't want a reference to it. An event. Game. I don't want damage. Actor. It's not bad. How do I don't care about cinematics. I don't want. I want to go between those. It's like a location thing. Player controller platform. Sprite. I can get like the transform, and if it's too far. I guess here's something I can try. Main character, right? What if when I jump, I just really want to try. Like, what if I did the swinging, right? And instead of like when it's completed and it does all this, what if I just open that other level real quick? Open level. About reference. Just what if this might break it, but I just really want to see if I can get it to take me to the other level. How that works. Okay, so it did. Took me to the other level. Let's put me back there. Okay. But how do I get it? Yeah, that's fine. Completed. Now, I want it. I can move you back. I don't care about the hit check. I want it to be based on a spot, but that doesn't make sense for it to be here. Right? Next level on Unreal Engine 5. Next level in the game. Without making a new... With level streaming, you have one main persistent level in which you keep everything that doesn't change. Keep the menu system and its levels. The player makes it to a level, the persistent level VP. We do the menu stuff and then load the next level in the list. If you're using open level to change levels, just complete trashes everything in its path. The game instance does survive. So when the player reaches the end of level X, the level X BP just loads in the main menu. The main menu is a map of its own. Then you notice which level has been played. Okay. See, I'm just gonna the next false entry. So I need this windscreen. The main button menu opens up. I just want to... It's not exactly, I mean, it's kind of okay. So in this, it just has one's level streaming, the other is passing information to the game instance. With level streaming, you have one main person level in which you keep, okay, that's all that, right? I guess that's one way to do it, and just have them teleport to a different spot on the map, and just have one big thing, but then everything's loaded at the same time. But it also makes it so we don't have to use the game instance to save current level, because it would just be current transform. Is level streaming constant or constant a good practice when I don't know playing? Level streaming is for performance. It's basically used to break up a large map that would be difficult to render all at once. You'll want to think about level streaming if you have a big map that you want to improve performance on, make it seamless. I mean, I'm working on a 2D game, right? So I'm just not really worried about performance. But uses to break up a large map that would be difficult to render all at once. You want to start thinking about level streaming if you have a big map that you want to improve performance on and make it seamless. You'd split the map into sections, and it's pretty tricky. You'd have to segment them in a way that you'd only offload segments the player can see. I was a couple problems I'm already... I just don't think level streaming is the move, right? I'm just using game instance between levels. This doesn't really matter because I don't care for this. I don't really care to... I know how to, yeah, so like I know how to do all this, right? This is fine. Like that's very ugly, but yeah, so you want it to set. So that's not really what I'm worried about. I'm worried about new level when you touch tile Unreal Engine. No, I don't care about. Okay, maybe friends can start an experiment with an open world setting. To not give requirements for live streaming. Did I misunderstand why it is? Just not what I'm looking for. I almost have to do it on player position. It's like I almost have to get player. Okay. So I'd have to get player position. If I think it's the Y coordinate. No, if X coordinate hits blank, then open new level. Is this gonna work though? That doesn't sound right, to be honest. Levels. Actor. Can I get actor? Get actor. Okay, with the tick. Pawn? Is it get pawn? Pawn. Get player pawn. Position. Get actor location. Then I'd have to almost do a tick, right? Like an event tick. Event tick. Branch. So it'd be if true. This feels like it's not the right way to do it. Open level by object reference. This would be decimal amount 2. Condition would be. Okay, let's see on this map. I can kind of see what this location is. How do I see what this location is? Actually, what I can do is just look at this location. X is 1980. If I move it this way, okay, so let's say 2800. Let's go 2800. Okay, let's go 2800. Equals. I want to split this though. Split. Is that a thing? Yeah, I want X to be 2800. Theoretically, this should be it, right? It's just constantly going to check to see if, oh, but I want it to be, I guess, maybe over 2800, or if it's equal and I run into it, will that work? I guess let's find out, right? I just wish it would stay there. It's kind of annoying that it doesn't. And no. How do Returns true if... Wait, do I want... What's happening here? Break this link. I don't want equals, I want greater than. Greater. Why is this not working? Why did equals work, but this isn't? Equals. I want to be... Can I switch this to greater than? Why maybe greater than equals? Greater equal. Maybe this will work. Okay. Why is that not working? What the... Like, I don't want to have to sit in a certain spot the whole time, right? Like, I'm not going to know... I have no idea what this is supposed to be. Like, what goes in here? Let's go 50. And then this 2800. Then it'll return true. On true, it'll open this level. Around here, I don't... How often does the tick happen? I don't know if, like, how close it is. Okay, let me go. I'm just gonna go to the very edge and make it that way. Okay, very edge is, oh, I wasn't even close, so I'd have to be further back. Okay, very edge is about 2985. So we'll go 2985. We'll open the blueprint. We'll go 2980 with. I think that's should be fine. Do all these have to be equal? Like, can I just do X? No, I'm like not even gonna do that one. Like, do they all have to be equal? Because if that's the case, this is not gonna be ideal. I don't know how much it's taking. I think they're all gonna have to be equal, which is not ideal. Nice close. Go with 0 on the Y and then negative 1500. 0Y, negative 1500. Negative 1500. 0 is fine. I want this back though. Okay. Okay. All three have to be correct. That's just what happened there. And then I could do the same thing here, because I'm assuming that's the same location. Roughly, right? Let me open this. Upload blueprint. I'm just gonna yoink it. Actually, I need this part. Control C. Level blueprint. Okay, and instead of this one, I want just testing map. Because I feel like it should be basically the same, because they should be the same location. I don't know that for sure, but it feels like that's the case. Okay, boom, opened. Okay, this is not the same location. Good to know. Levels. Testing map 2. Okay. About right there-ish. And I want... Oh, it's negative 73 on that instead. Or it's 73. Okay, so I need that. That's the different one. Bad size? What? Oh, it's because it's hidden. Is that what? Yeah. Okay. Where's this blueprint? Upload a blueprint. Then this is 70, which whatever. Should probably be 0, but just not how it is on this one. Okay, we go. We're here. We go through. We're back here. Okay. Okay. Now I can save. When I'm in this one, I click save. And I play Load Journey. That's just not great. Okay, so that's not right. Oh, because that it is saving my position. It just has me in a different level. So, because that's what's happened. So like here, right? It's setting my player position on the transformed has it as 73. So in the pause menu on the save, I need, oh Lord, I forgot about what this looks like. I need to also save the current level. Level. Whatever that is, level. How do I get current level? I guess I could set a boolean for which level they're on. Like how I did with this. Let me see if there's a save current level on Unreal Engine 5. Okay, so you need to save a level before you keep to know. Okay. Save level player is on Unreal Engine 5. Okay, oh, that's not what I'm. Here we go. Yeah, so we play a different. This doesn't work. Okay, so they're having it as a save, as a variable for the level. I gotta figure out what that pink thing is. The open level node throws away everything after it. I guess I don't really care for that. Okay, let's see what these variables got. Like what options we got here, because there's pink string. Oh, so it is a text string. Yeah, because I can set current level and I just have that plugged in. That is probably what I do. On the save, so I need to go to save details. I need to have them save. I need level, right? Because I have the player slot in it. Yeah, I need level. Current level. I need this to be a string. How do I get the level name to put it in here, though? How do I get... I do need to put another... Can I just like go boom? That's just not... That's... I want it to be current level. Need to be a string. Ooh, a name. Level. Get level. How do I get the current level? I could set it as... How to get current level on Unreal Engine 5. Get current level name. This is all I've been asking. It just has a thing. Get currently open level. What? Get current level. Okay, no, that's not. Save select. Get current level name. Okay. This feels like this makes it a lot easier. Get current level name. Why is it not in this? Is it just because this is a widget? Here, let me get rid of this. I think I still need that, but I don't know. We'll get rid of this for now because I don't have. No, because I have the save slot name. So I do think I need to put that in there. Game instance though. Game instance. Hello. You. current player level. I think it's just a text name. Then I should be off of this. Off of this, should be able to get current Is this what I want though? Because so it's coming off of a game instance, so I do need to run off of a game instance. Current level. How do I get it off of? I guess current player level is what I want, right? Current player level. Compile. How do I put this in here too? Guess I should, it's something I set, right? Okay, let's see if I can set it. Set current. I want current level. Okay, I'm messing stuff up. And let me just restart from the get-go. Okay, so get rid of this. In here, let me go to this. Anything that does with it. Okay. You go away. Compile. 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 Nothing there. Nothing here. Okay. Now, what I need to do so on this game instance, I need to set the current level name. Right? And off this game instance. So I think that's all I have to do. And it would go into here. Actually, no, this will always be the same. Here's where I need to get it. Because this is always going to go to the start level anyway, right? But how would I put that into... I'd have to get it from the load. The save game VP. So I'd have to get it here. Get current level. So I can't get in there. Pause menu. Get current level name. I can get it here. I want this. I want it to be one of the save details though. saving the game to the slot, and it's just getting those. So it would need to go into. Need to go into here. Okay, so save game. You current level. I just don't know if that's right. Then you can I go from here to here? And can I run this? Okay, so now it's in there. It's part of the save details. Now, when I open, this would be current, okay, level. Do I need to compile this? Is that what needs to happen? Compile, current level. Save select, because I'm getting it from. I need to get it from this save. Current, get, current. Okay, variables, yes. Where are the rest of my things? Oh, here, I need this. How do I get it to take into that though? Set current. That doesn't even make sense to me. Okay. Say current player level, sure. As a string, that's a name. Cool. Compile. Set current. Then when I'm clicking the pause menu, does that go into? It does. Okay, cool. That's right. Compile. How do I get this to have it though? I guess it doesn't necessarily. I would just need to do another off of this. Set current player level. And go boop, boop. And then off of this, go here, and I can make this look a little bit better. And then this is kind of backwards, but it doesn't really matter, I don't think. And then off of this, I should be able to get. This is a load, right? Loads percent save. I should be able to get current player level. I should be able to run it into here. No, because I'm opening by object reference. If I open it by name, is this on Poseidon? What if I open the level by name? Does that change anything? Open level by name. I don't know if that is better or worse. So let's try it with Poseidon. Play new. I basically just need to see if I go into. Okay, cool. Here, boom, save, exit, file, play, load. Okay. I don't like that. Oh, because it's still putting me. What's happening there? Hold on. Play, load. Here. Why am I lower? I don't understand that. No matter what, when this opens, it should be putting me there. So why is it not? Click new journey. And it's gonna put me over here. Okay. New journey. Boop. Boop. Okay. Save. Load. What's happening there? What's going on? What's happening? Okay. What is going on here? I don't know why it's not. How do I? Can I do it as a level soft? Level soft. I'm gonna do it by level or by name. Okay. But why, when I reload, is it putting me? Why on earth? Is it just putting me forward? Is that what's happening? Okay, I think this is what I need to do. Just to save selected. This 0. Right, this 0. Blueprint. This 0. Compile. Maybe that's what's breaking it. I just don't really know why it would break it. Okay. Like, because this is doing it anyway. This is... What the hell was that? I don't care. Okay. Okay. That's just kind of goofy. Okay. We save game here. Load the game. We're right next to the guy. Go boom. Okay, so I guess that was what's causing it. Why, I'm not really sure, but that's fine. Now I guess I just run this. That's what you difference in open level by name or object. Sure. I don't even want to go to the level. Oh, kick rocks. Okay. I think that was us sharing. I just want to know what the difference is and why. Like, does it matter? Okay, I mean, let me go put this on all of them. And I can Control C, right? But it'd be a different thing. Current player level. Open level by name. I'm just gonna do it and then make it pretty later. Get current player level. That's gonna have to get a different name, but open level by name. You come here. You kick rocks. Just want to make sure it works for all of them before I go about making it pretty. Get current. I need to change this so bad. It's bothering me already. Open level by name. Just delete this right away. Current level. Compile. Open. Play. New journey. Just need to see if it'll. Okay, boom. Save. Play. Load. Cool. Come back in here and it doesn't break. Cool. And I save again and it puts me in this one. Probably. Cool. I'm just gonna assume they're all good. I shouldn't just assume though. That one I know is fine. New. Save game. Load with this thing. Come in here. Hello. Okay. No, not this one. Why are you like this? What? Hold on. Why did I load up here? Why am I... I actually know why. It's because of this thing. When you start a new level, the player transform right, so that would be saved into the player transform. So if I'm right, play, load journey, right? Come in here, right, and I go back over here and save it here. Okay. If I go all the way left, save game. But if I play it, load all the way left, when I load it, I'm gonna be on the left in that level, right? Okay. New problem. What do I do about that problem now? Because when I'm opening that level, like I want it to set the new chest for, but like here, I want to know where I'm supposed to be standing. That's right. And each time it opens a level, it calls this. Every single time. So I don't want that, clearly, right? Well, I mean, I do. I do want that. What do I do? Guten Tag, Sean. How was dinner? No, I didn't have to restart. So I made a second level, right, just to like go in between it, right? So right here, we walk all the way to the edge. Boom! It puts us in a new level with this guy, right? Just as to show the difference between levels, right? Which is great. And now I can save, right? I can save game. I can even load it into my new level if this is the level that I'm at. Cool, right? I have been live longer. Unless my... Oh, my stream must have reset. Hold on. I think it must have. Yeah. I don't really know. Because, like, I've been live for an hour 30. So maybe the stream did reset? I mean, it had to have, clearly, right? But yeah, I was not aware. What's happening here? Yeah, so that stream was reset. Did my YouTube stream reset? No. I don't know why they did. But I mean, at least it went back live, right? It says I have good connection and everything. I guess, can you hear me fine? Is it scuffed or anything? Unless I accidentally hit a button over there that resets it. Settings. Streaming. No? I don't know. I do not know, Sam I am. How do I? I could set the current transfer. I guess here's what I could do. When I go between levels, I could just get rid of the transform. Levels, testing map. I think that's the only way I go about this. Blueprint, open level blueprint. Yeah. Game instance. Can I get game instance? Is that a thing? Get game instance. And then as game instance, player, set player position. I'm gonna set it to 0, 0. Location or transform. Can I set player transform? Because this player position is just a transform thing, right? How do I reset this? Get player pawn. Get actor trans. Set actor transform. Ha ha ha. How do I set it to none? I just don't know if that's right. I want to set the transform to 0. Set player transform to zeros on Unreal Engine 5. Setting transform for player pawn. Hello, Cluster. How are you? It's good to hear. So, how do I get this to 0? I have to transform to the specified one. Do I just get a new get new transform? Is that like a get transform? So I want to set it to. Let's set it to nothing. Right, like I want this new transform to be 0. Get transform multiplied by 0, then set. So we're saying off of game instance, right? Player position multiply. I had no idea that was a thing. I need you to understand that. Okay, maybe not. Multiply. How do I get this to? On left pin's right click. Oh. Default integer. I don't know what the heck this is. You go away. On the left pin's right click. To rotator, to vector, float. I don't know which one of these would be. Would it be vector for the transform? But I don't know if that's a. It's more like movement, right? Can I just put one? That's doesn't really. Yeah, it's just what I have it there. Ha! I just split it up. Okay. We love that. I set it equals to 0. You say I have to put that in here. Because this makes sense to me. This would make sense if this is... Okay, so it should fix the problem I'm running with. Okay, so let me save. I guess I would have to do that on the other one too, right? I could just do it on that. Okay. Then here, level blueprint. Yeah, you go over here. Game instance. Get game instance. Get game instance. Cast to game instance BP. Let's run this. Alt by 0, then make transform. do this real quick. Get player position. You're saying split structure bin. Here you said multiply. And then I would need set player. So you're saying this is the better way of doing it? And multiplying everything by 0? All by 0 they make transform and set. Like, am I missing something? I guess is my question. Wait, what you're saying? If I click on the second pane on the multiply node. Something. Oh, so you're saying to do all 0 instead of having it by each. Is there a difference to it? I mean, it looks cleaner, that's for sure. But like functionally, is there a difference? I just want to make sure I'm not right. Like, if I accidentally in the future forget to do this, readable, cool. We love that. And this should fix the problem I was having. Let me go fix that though on this side, because I do agree with it looking better. I need 2 more. I guess what do you mean? I need 2 more. Do I have to set all of them? Because the only thing that's changing for the player transform is just the location of them. But I just have to set each of them. Okay, multiply. I can't spell multiply. Then can I just run them all into the same? Okay, that did not go as I planned. Yeah, I just need the location because like everything else is staying the same as of right now since it's a 2D game, and the only thing changing is location. For now, right? In the future, that might be different, but it should fix my problem. Because the problem I was having is when I was on set split player position. So, yes. Onset split this. I don't think I can split on with it coming in. I mean, on the outside I might be able to, right? Split structure pin. Discount first. Break this link. Oh, okay. I see. And then I can just, instead of having that, run here. And then here I go to single float. And then that was that one. Just got this. Now when you read, you understand what's happening. Yeah, then it shows which transform I'm doing. I appreciate that. That's a good idea. This, this to float. Boom. Compile. Okay, now when I save, it shouldn't save it in the location was in before. Okay, so new. We run to the second level. Here, boom, save, play, load. Cool. Now it shouldn't put me in the middle. Okay. okay. Like 3 months, you forget what you did. Yeah. Okay. Now. I don't know if let's do this. Something happened. I might not have reconnected what I needed to. Oh, hello, blueprint. Like that. I don't know if I actually connected on the other one. It's a very real chance I did not connect on the other one. I did. Okay. I guess because it's not at zeros. It's basically at 0, 0, 0. It's a open level. What are you at? But it opened you on the right thing. Why is it? Because this position, the player location, is the difference, right? Right, so if I'm just trying to get, like, because the transform is the difference, right? So, like, for the game, it says this transform is the difference in location from... Okay, this is the difference between location, so I do need those numbers. So do I want them as... So instead of doing it like multiplying, would I just set a specific location for each of them? So instead of multiplying it, right, I would just do like a set location, or just go straight into it, right? But that's 0, 0, 0. I guess this wouldn't be needed then, right? And I would just put the actual player location. Like, I think, let's see here. It's roughly the same. I'm making like a 2D RPG. I'm attempting to, at least. Kind of like a side scroller. Not really Metroidvania or not, but like not really Metroidvania, but a little. In my head, there's only really like one thing that wouldn't be like unlockable, story-wise without a certain item, but it wouldn't be really. It is free to explore, so like I'd have like one like main central hub, right? And then you can go into each different level. After you get those, then you can get to the last 3. It's kind of how I'd go about it. Goontalk talks around. So I'm gonna run 11. I guess I should set so 1100 and negative 1450. So let me go grab this other one. Cool. So also making a 2D character. I'll be in a 3D world. That's pretty cool. Like I'm trying to think of game, but you're not talking like a top-down 2D, but like an actual like 3D, like 3D environment. I need to get this starting location. You. Let's just start you over here. That's pretty cool. 1150 negative 1478. 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 So that's what that would be. This is completely useless. There, boom. What is this location? Negative 14 to 78. Yeah. Okay, so 11. We'll go 1130 on this one. Save. 1130 negative 1478. 11. I want to go up a little bit. 1440. 1130 negative 1440. So here, go away. 1130 negative 1440. Boom. Yeah. We love the viewers. It's true. Okay, here, start, play, new. We go through. Okay. Actually, I do need to see if I can actually just walk through. Boom. An outline drag your player start to level BP. Okay, saying in Allen, drag your player start to level BP. Yeah, whenever this comes out. Chase, you can. You're saying in here. Okay, maybe I don't know what the outliner is, because I'm so confused. I'm not going to lie. And then the top right panel. Okay. Drag a player start to level BP. Oh. And this way, instead of putting the positions, let's get transform. Get to location. That's what we're saying, right? And then I can just run it here instead. and not having to actually put the numbers. I see. Instead of putting just the number, I get that. I'm trying to call. So I had this bug where I would save, because so I guess backstory. So I have a game instance where I have the player position where, like, because originally I just had that one test level, at this, right, and I had, now when you put player start, it's your character start. Wait, so didn't you change something else? Is you saying? It's just here, right? Like, it'll always start there. Unless I have it changed. No. Like, I don't need to change anything else. I don't want to spin. So the problem I had, right, is like in this level, I was saving and I was like trying to get to, like, to go in between levels, like you get the edge of it, right? But after I went to the second level and saved in a certain spot, right, every time I'd open a new level, it would just go to that same spot and it wouldn't go back to the start of the level. Wherever you want the start point to be, it will automatically adjust it. I can just adjust it here, is what you're saying, instead of, okay, that makes sense. I appreciate that. I like that. And so, like, because when I have the save select, like when I'm loading it, this player position is already set, right? And so after I saved and got out, it would just always constantly put it where it was. So now, hopefully, right, fingers crossed, when I have it done, I need to compile this. I need to do this on the other one. Now when I have it, it should be, so here, boom, player start. Get actor transform, location, get actor location. I can put that there. Right, instead of I could just grab location, right? Instead of splitting, I think that should work. So hopefully when I start a journey, right, cool. I run over to the edge. Boom, right? Come here. I save the game. I run all the way through. Still at the edge, right, cool. Now play load journey. The problem I was having is after I loaded this, when I went back into this next level, it would put me in the same location, but like on the other, like it wouldn't put me to the edge. That was the problem I was having. For some reason, these levels aren't the same height though. Like they're not starting it. Like I did the same thing of just dragging them in. And again, that's all I'm gonna check when I make because I'm just gonna fall on this one because it's a little taller. That's weird. But whatever. So because I'll have it more precise and stuff when I actually make the levels, but now I'm just testing out, just see if I can get everything, working, right? And see, like I have the little, I only have it as a do once. So you're saying boom. I hate this. Okay, this should be, this is the, I did have it high. Play, that should fix it. It might be the other one that has the problem. I guess I could have tested or looked at both. When I go here, the shimmer should be fine. And when I go back in, I shouldn't be falling. Yeah, I just had it. I set that one a little high. Drag it up, then press End key. We're learning, chat. That's what we're doing. Okay, so we're saying drag up. What is the end key? A lot up? How hope we talk. Oh, like the delete key. Okay, okay. All the way up. And then delete it? What? Okay, okay. Home key, end key. I need to know. I don't know what key you're talking about. Like the escape key? I have the escape key. Enter. Page. Oh, okay. I have a 60%. We're gonna have to find that. Page up. Yeah, I have a 60%. So it's probably a different. Oh, I see. Okay. I have it. Home. Okay. That's not. It didn't. So. Home. The page up for me is just drags, right? Page down. It's very helpful. I have like a 60% keyboard, so I don't really have like the home key is underneath the bracket and whatever the hell that other thing's called. I know for as an array. So a home key does nothing for me. That's this one. Yeah, I don't get the home key. Not a thing for me. I mean, I have a different keyboard I could grab, realistically, but I have to go find it. Okay, let's find out. Let's find. Okay, when that actually says end. Okay. End. Okay. So I dragged it way up and then pressed, and it drags it all the way down. Okay. I found the end key. Do I have to do this on both? This one is still just up. Sets the character on the ground. Okay. Then boom. Oh, this also, the box is significantly larger. Why? I'm not exactly sure. Capsule. Oh, it's because it's not actually the player start. Like it is, but can I mess with this though? Why can't I change it? I guess it's right. Let's see how this goes. Capsule on player means nothing. It's just for visual. Okay. Oh, that's a little bug, but so that's fixed. Okay, so now we can save between levels. Okay. Oh, I don't have the notepad up, but that was what we needed to do. I appreciate the help. Yeah, if X coordinate hits this, I guess Or do you know of a better way of me going about doing this? Because I just have it so when I go to, like, I have an event tick on, like, when I hit a certain X coordinate, then it teleports. Because eventually I'll have doors, right? I'll have doors that, like, they're standing in front of. They press a button, right? Could be enter. That could be E, right? You press E, and then if it'll take whatever their X location is. I guess not. That's the exact way to do it, right? Because it'll when they press E, it'll test their X location. If they're in front of the door, they'll put them through the door. So that's exactly how I want it. So never mind. That's exactly what I needed to do. But instead of the event tick, it'll just be on a key press. I guess what I could do is make it a key press now. Right, might as well. Right, because here, so I need, what I need is this. Input action, a score, just put E, just put enter, right? Because I want to be an enter the room kind of thing. And then here, need to add one, enter, then here, just E. And it'll just be a one pressed. I don't know if I really need to do, I guess, yeah, I just need a one-time press thing. So it'll just be pressed, save, main character. I have it on the level. Oh, I do have it on the level. I still need the location, so I guess I can test to see if I, like I can go over there then press E. I guess that is still the way I'd go about it, save. The way I'd go about it. Open a blueprint. So instead of event tick, right, it would go IA enter. And trigger. Boom. Compile. I should do that. Then do it on the other map. So event tick. Some of them will be event ticks probably. But I enter. Compile. Okay, let's test this. Theoretically, this is what I want. I gotta have doors. Play new journey. At the very end, nothing happens. I press E and it loads. That's huge. Yep, and I'm just pressing E other places, nothing. But I'm at the end, press E and it changes. Pressing E here. We love that. Okay. Because, like, here, I'm gonna pull up paint. That's what's about to happen here. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm thinking. So, basically, right, we're gonna have like a room, right? Different doors. We're gonna pretend these are all the same thing, right? Character kind of has like a. I don't know. He wakes up in a different room, then comes into here. But in this, he can choose which of these levels to complete, right? That's the character, right? We'll go with the long hair, because right now it's the girl character. But I'm having different characters made, so that's just the sprite for now. Having the character be in front of these doors, I think I'm going to need them decently spaced out. And then each one of these, they go to a different, like, God's realm, right, basically. Like, if it's Poseidon, right, they'll go, like, underwater and stuff like that. And they'll enter through that. And then 3 of them, like, say these 3, the last 3, are no-goes until you have a certain item. That's kind of how that's going. Then after you complete all of the levels, then you have this big bad guy. It's actually a girl, but it's not important. Because that's what I'm thinking. So that me moving in and pressing E works, and then I don't know if I'll have like pixel art. I think I'm gonna do more like just different art style in the back. Like, I don't want to say this, right? Like instead of like having like the pixel art, right? I'm gonna have just better looking images. I guess is the best way of me saying that. And I think that's the game plan. So this is perfect. I don't know if E is gonna be the right button, but I can change that later. So I don't really need to, I guess, go to location. Location one. I could also just do it, go to location, press E instead of loading a new level. As of right now, I guess I could work on that level, but I don't really have any of the art for it yet. But I could work on functionality for that level and have each of the little zones played out. I could do that. That could also be tomorrow's stream. That's me doing all that. And the same between levels is working, and that one, no matter what level I'm on, should work. I do need to make all this look pretty again. Because right now when I'm saving, I'm just getting the current level name, saving it to a string, and then it's opening that level. And I'm just referencing by name when I'm opening a level instead of by object. And that's what we're doing. No. Save selected. Made a lot more progress. I'm not gonna lie, the help's been great, right? From people the past few streams, and we love that. Because I'm learning, I'm trying this new thing, and while I'm familiar with coding, I'm not game design, game development completely new. The blueprints completely new to me, all that. So it's nice to be able to like have people help me out with things. It's a big fan of that. My other option. Oh, if I open, I guess I should test it with the other characters. I've been testing it with Zeus and Poseidon's things. Yeah, and then I have everything else going. Eventually, maybe tomorrow. I guess I have time tonight. I could try to work on the hitbox thing, but I don't know what because the hitbox is gonna be different for each character, and I have the general knowledge for the hitboxes already, so I don't really need to worry about that too much. I think I have the general hit check, right? I have this general like bit going down. That is backwards, I think. What is this? This is wrong. Something here is wrong. But I don't know why this is here. That's future me's problem. At least I'm not going through floors. Okay. I'm gonna spend some time making things look less ugly. It's gonna be the goal for right now. As I say this, I think I like it better closer there. This is it gonna line up at all with that? Okay, it's not my problem then. I didn't really mess with this too much. What's this? Ventic. That's me with the hit checks, but that'll probably only be when I swing. But so right now, go here. Start menu hasn't changed. Save select did change. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna move this up. Let's make this somewhat legible. You here. don't like that it's just there. Okay. Time to make this look pretty and witty and fair. Okay. That's one looks good. Why is there just a significant difference in the distance here? That's because this isn't all lined up here. It's not, no, well, I just need it to look somewhat decent. And then put them into the comments. What you got going on for this night, Chase? No. Go higher with it. It's definitely not a straight line. Don't know if that is either, though. Okay. Here. Okay. I like how that's part of it, but the other one's not. Can't tell if that one's actually added or not, but I just want to work on it though. Okay. Oh, that's added. That one's added. Okay. This looks presentable. Presentable. Okay. Save game BP. I did add stuff here. I'm just saying both of these, so whatever. Doesn't need to look that good. Might as well make this. Okay, don't care enough. That's good. Pause menu to save. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let me add these really quick to the note. Okay, now I want to. Oh, there's some stuff that's still not added. Oh, that sucks. Okay, what if I just. Okay. Okay, game instance. Want all of this. Just a quick move over there. You come here. You come back here. I think that's as good as that's gonna get. But that's fine. That's just a quick game. I need to make an options menu. Maybe that's what I spend the rest of this time doing. Just making an options menu. What do we think? Except I don't have any music or anything, so I don't even know what to put in an options menu. Maybe brightness, but again, I don't have lighting done, so it's hard for me to. I guess I can just make sure it does it, but I don't really need to, you know what I mean? Okay, this just looks ugly on this side. This is gonna bother me. It's not like the best waterfall that I got, but it's a little waterfall right there. Bit of a cascade. Okay. That's done game instance. I didn't really change anything in you. This, I just changed that. Just fine, that's done. And character, I don't even care about this. This I don't like. But it's there for now. All this is done, taken care of. That's just the movement, doesn't matter. This, does it need anything? No, that's setting the characters. Okay, what can I do next? Hitboxes is going to be a little bit longer, so I don't want to do that for the rest of the time. Let's see. What's the save states? Basically have that done. I mean, I'm gonna eventually. I'm gonna put it. It's doing right. Because that's not. So I'm gonna move this to doing as well. Can I just copy it to doing? I don't know. Done. Character selection is done. I have that figured out. I don't have to change that ever. I mean, I will like when like different animate, like because I have a hurt, right? Like if I take damage, I have the like getting hurt, right, and dying, right? Like I'll have those, but that's irrelevant right now, especially with because I could do it in general. They'll never show up, right? Because I won't get hurt because I have no enemies yet, like in the game. And I don't know if I'm going to put the hitboxes in until I get the sprites and stuff. So I'm not really sure. Okay. Do I want to do... I could set them... Because I'd have to change it anyway. Basically, all I'd have to do is, if I get hurt, set it to this. I said these current, like here I have it set for like the current swing, right? That's how I'm doing it. I'm taking each time I select a player, I'm setting which player it is. So I could do it based off that, right? I'll do the same thing. So I could just go through and set those now, but that feels like something I could do off stream. I hate this. I hate the way this looks. Like I just wish they just lined up perfectly. So I could just do this, but it's not that then. Okay. I guess I can go level design, kind of. Some underwater stuff. Do I? Let's make a new level. And then this would be. And then when doing this, I guess the only thing I'd want to take from this map is just the controller, right? Maybe this. And I have to change the blueprint, but, or to change the, no, it's there. Cool. Because it gets rid of that. I could put this, I can comment this out. I do need to comment the rest of the stuff out too. Make it look pretty. Okay. See. Sets input method to keyboard and hides mouse. That's all that does. That is all that does. Okay. Done with you. Go here and I'll make these look pretty. Because does not. Boom, boom. Just line up. Oh, I hate that it's not gonna line up. That's fine. Okay. And then this doesn't need another junction. Go away. Okay, that's as straight of a line as I think I'm gonna get. Oh, it goes up a little bit. No, okay, that's what we're doing. Game instance is fine there. Let's do this. I hate that they just don't. See, hides mouse and it sets keyboard. It's just not exactly what it does, but I understand what it's doing. Puts transports player to new level, but different level. And it's gonna be levels, especially since this is gonna be branched. So like these constraints will eventually have to be different, right? Like it's not gonna be by 50. It's gonna be very precise, and it's gonna be the location. I guess so. This location would be the middle of the door, right? It would be that number, and then this would be the width of the door. Is how that would go. So I guess we don't really need to, because these are just the test level, so I don't really need to do that. But I'm gonna make them look pretty, because I'm not anywhere near. Not anywhere near there on artwork, which I could do, I guess, on stream. That could be an option. I'm not good at art, but can do general concepts. Okay. That's done. Save game, has everything. Is there anything else I need to save? I need to save the map that's on, the location. I'll have to save the health. But again, that's all its own thing I'd have to do. Which is fine. Let's plan out. Can open painting and let's plan out the border room. Let's plan this out. Line. I will be right back. All right, chat. Actually, I'm gonna end. Gotta do some stuff with the family. I appreciate you guys for coming out. Yeah, Cluster, thanks for the help. Zero, welcome in. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys being here. And yeah, that is gonna be it. I will be live tomorrow, hopefully, if not Monday. And I will talk to you guys later.